If you ever need to find a specific word or phrase on a web page quickly, Firefox makes it really easy with the Find in Page feature. In this video, I'll show you how to search inside websites in Firefox step by step, so you can jump right to the exact part you need without scrolling endlessly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Firefox and go to any website or web page where you want to search for text. This can be a news article, a blog post, a long document, or even a product page. Once the page is open, look at your keyboard and press Ctrl plus F if you're on Windows or CMD plus F if you're on Mac. This shortcut opens the Find in Page search box inside Firefox. As soon as the box appears, type the word or phrase you want to find. You can search for a single word, part of a sentence, or even a full phrase depending on what you need. After you type it, Firefox will immediately highlight every match on the page. You'll also usually see how many matches were found, which makes it easy to know whether the text appears once or several times. If there are multiple matches, use the arrows in the search box to move from one result to the next. This is really helpful when the word appears all over a long page and you want to skip between each occurrence without manually searching. You can keep pressing the arrows until you land on the exact spot you want. If you want to change your search term, just click back into the search box, type a new word, and Firefox will update the highlights right away. This feature is especially useful when you're reading long articles, checking for specific information, reviewing notes, or verifying whether a website contains a certain term. It saves a lot of time and keeps you focused. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to search inside websites in Firefox using the Find in Page tool. It's fast, simple, and one of the easiest browser shortcuts to remember. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.